seeds, scientifically known as Nigella sativa, have earned a reputation for their numerous health benefits. These tiny seeds pack a powerful punch, offering a wide range of advantages for overall well-being. Rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, black seeds are known to bolster the immune system, making the body more resilient to infections and diseases. They have also shown promise in supporting respiratory health by easing conditions like asthma and bronchitis. Black seeds aid digestion, alleviating symptoms of indigestion and promoting regular bowel movements, while their potential positive effects on heart health include lowering blood pressure and reducing cholesterol levels. Topically, black seed oil, derived from these seeds, can improve skin conditions like eczema and promote hair health by stimulating growth and managing scalp issues. Despite their small size, black seeds offer a diverse range of health benefits that have been appreciated in traditional medicine for centuries. Ingredients: black seeds,